Hi guys, today I'm going to give a quick little mini review of a case I've had for a while. It's the Antec 310-150. It's a mini ITX case. It's very low profile. So you can see here, it's a low profile GPU expansion slot, single one, so you can't really get any modern GPU in there. I've got obviously my mini ITX motherboard and a little power socket on the back. This case has been revised since I think I found it on PcPartpicker, and it says it's got no USB 3.0 ports, but it's been revised and it does have some 3.0 ports. It also has a headphone, microphone, reset, power, and it's got a eSATA port as well. So if I just quickly open it up. Unfortunately, I've lost the box for this case, and it did actually come with some feet that allow you to stand it on its side like this. I don't know, it doesn't particularly strike me as a feature that I'll ever use, but it could be something that you would use. I always keep it horizontal like this. It looks quite nice underneath the television. It looks quite sleek. You can fit a slim optical drive in there as well, which I haven't done. Now I can't close it. There we go. We just pop the back off. Right. There we go. Quite easy to take off the single panel, so you can see on the inside of the case here. I've done my best with cable management. So the reason it's the 310-150, I don't know what the 310 is for, possibly the length of the case. I haven't measured it, but the 150 is to do the power supply, which is underneath here, if you can see in there, and it's got its own little intake fan on the side. So the case comes with one single fan, other than the power supply fan, which has its own little speed switch on the back there. So in here you can fit two 2.5 inch drives, so I've got two 2.5 inch drives in there, and obviously the mini ITX motherboard, which there's not a lot of room for clearance for coolers and stuff. So this is, I think in here at the moment is an AMD FM2 Plus motherboard with an A4 4000 processor, so I think it was the cheapest FM2 Plus processor I could get. I intended on getting a higher spec down the road, but never did it. So I've done my best with cable management. It's quite a tight case to work in. You can unscrew and remove, you can slide out the drive bay, and you can remove this big metal bracket here, which lends strength to the case, but makes it a lot easier to manage what you're doing. And that's pretty much it. So I hope you enjoyed this little mini review. Maybe I should give it a score out of 10. 7 out of 10. Because as I remember, it was quite expensive, but it did the job that it was supposed to do, and it looks pretty nice. So 7 out of 10, just because of that value proposition, knocking it down just a little bit. So I hope you enjoyed the video, guys. Let me know if you've got any suggestions for anything else. Goodbye.